Tempted by Temu's unbelievably low prices, but wondering if it's too good to be true. Let's dive into whether ordering from Temu is actually safe. First, let's talk security. Temu uses standard security measures like SSL encryption to protect your payment information during transactions. Look for the padlock icon in your browser's address bar when entering payment details. It indicates a secure connection. Next up, customer reviews. While Temu displays reviews, be aware that fake reviews are a common problem across many online marketplaces. Look for reviews that are detailed and specific, mentioning actual product features, not just generic praise. Now, the return policy. Temu generally offers a 30-day return window for most items. Read the fine print carefully to understand the return process, who pays for shipping and any exceptions. Weigh the risks and benefits. Data security concerns, potential for lower product quality and longer shipping times need to balance against the super attractive low prices and discounts. Here's a tip. Use a prepaid credit card for your Temu purchases. This limits your financial exposure if your account were to be compromised. Finally, keep a close eye on your order tracking information. Document everything. Take screenshots of product listings and order details in case you need to dispute a charge or file a return. By carefully evaluating the security measures, reading customer reviews, understanding the return policies, and using these tips, you can make an informed decision about whether ordering from Temu is right for you.